So the lecturers of this school are from University of Portsmouth. It's Professor David Bacon, who is world expert in the observational cosmology, and Dr. Jasha Shvechenko, who is really the expert in computational cosmology. Professor David Wall, who is worldly known for his theory on cosmological perturbation and cosmological dynamics, and Professor Shinji Tsuchikawa, which is a world-leading researcher in the area of modified gravity and dark energy research. And participants are from Thailand and overseas. That include the postgraduate, young postdoctoral researchers from many countries, and also some undergraduate students, some very advanced students. And I hope this school will be of benefit of the scientific community of the region. And then it's enhance international collaboration between Thailand, UK, Japan, and all the countries in the region. And thank you so much for sponsoring this school and also for participating in this school.
So I hope the students attending the school will learn about cosmology, some of the current research going on, some of the work going on with myself and my colleagues in Portsmouth, and we'll have a chance to talk with them and find out what they're doing, and maybe there'll be a chance for future collaborations. We have, I hope we'll be able to run future workshops to develop joint research projects between researchers in Thailand and in England, especially between our institutes in Portsmouth and Naresuan.
Okay, there are some kind of good relationship between Japan and Thailand. So especially, okay, I worked with Burin Yamjalapai. Okay, when I first met him in Portsmouth in 2001, and then we started work. And actually, I was invited in a school, maybe in the second school, I think. And then, okay, and many students listened to my talk, and I think they learned some cosmology. And fortunately, Burin continuously did over the past maybe 20 years almost. And then, okay, there are some kind of good Thai people, okay, who are really now doing some good cosmology. So I think in some sense I helped. I hope I helped in some way. So I'm happy and hope for that. So I think I want to continue this kind of activity, and hopefully, okay, we can work together.
Sure. So in cosmology at the moment, one of the really big issues is trying to understand the hidden aspects of the universe. So we see stars and galaxies with visible light, but that's only the tip of the iceberg. In fact, there is a lot more material that doesn't glow, it doesn't cast a shadow, and we call that dark matter, and we're trying to understand its properties, and we want to map it in the universe. And then there's also a very large amount of energy in the universe which is causing objects not just to move apart, but to speed up as they move apart. So we call this dark energy, and it's a very strange quantity. We'd like to understand what is the physics of this dark energy. So recently there have been big astronomical surveys that have allowed us to map the dark matter and to get evidence for this dark energy accelerated expansion. And in the next 5 years there will be some big new astrophysical surveys, some in space, some with optical telescopes on the ground, and some with radio telescopes that should help us to understand the physics of these dark quantities much better.
I was the lecturer for numerical cosmology at the school, because that's my field of expertise as a computational cosmologist. So yeah, enjoyed it very well to work, very much to working with the students. I mean, they seem to be also very interested to learn the techniques, how we can actually turn all the observational data and data we collect, all our cool new probes, then into actual information we can use. Yeah, I mean, I enjoyed the time in Sukhothai here very much. It was well
In my
organized.
honest, I feel this school opens my vision about the cosmology, and I feel the knowledge that I receive is so much more than I expect. I really appreciate for everyone who organized this, and I'm glad to join this school. Thank you.
This school is very good for everyone who interested in theoretical physics and cosmology. They prepare many professors who interested in different fields. Their visions motivate us to do our future work, and their experience inspire us and all new generations who interested in the same field to begin studying theoretical physics. And I think it's very good for us, and we have a lot of friends that interested in the same thing, and appreciate all of this.
Okay, so this is my first visit to Thailand, and I'm very happy to be a part of this 5th Tah Poe School in Cosmology. And I think this school has actually, I have gained a lot from this school. I have learned many things. Okay, I have learned cosmology before also, but I had some problems in understanding in some of the topics, which I could clarify here very easily. And the very good thing about this school is this is, since it's on a very small scale, so we could have one-to-one interaction, which is very good for any, I have never attended any school where we get, the students are getting so much attention from the lecturers and others. So this type of schools, I think, should be beneficial for all the cosmology students, and this type of schools should be held, I think, at regular intervals. And in India also we have similar type of schools, but not in this, the way the things are being held here. It's really nice, and I believe that the participants have learned a lot from the lecturers. And
Hi, I'm from Konkan University. It's my pleasure to be here for joining this school at the 5th Tah Poe School on Cosmology. In order to take this course, I'm very happy and get many information and learning many of knowledge. Yes, and the 5th Tah Poe School on Cosmology make me feel glad to meet all of you, all of the participants and teacher, lecturer, and scientific organized committee.
So the Tah Poe School on Cosmology series have been organized since 2002. That's about the first school, and this is the 5th school in this series. And in this, all the series of the school have been supported by many agencies, and we have in the very close collaboration to the University of Portsmouth and then our other friends around the world in organizing this school. And it's a tradition that the Institute for Fundamental Study will keep holding the school from now. It should be every 2 years in order to improve and uplifting the standard and the quality of the research and postgraduate education in cosmology in this country. And I thank all the participants and invited lecturers of the school. So to help us to put a good shape, beautiful academic connection to all the researchers and also the academic atmosphere of cosmology research in Thailand.